Hey everyone, so I'm here to do the last part of this, which are these two colors. I started out by using the um, strawberry milk from NYX. I'm just so sorry if my eyes look bloodshot. I have not been, I don't know why I have not been sleeping. I don't know if it's that I don't drink coffee anymore, and so once in a while, so I wanted to try the new Dunkin' Donuts coffees, and I haven't been sleeping, so I'm really upset that this is happening. I don't know what's happening, but anyway, okay, so I'm gonna take the pretty pink that I've been using as a highlighter. I'm gonna put that on my lid and as the highlight. And then I'm going to take that hot pink, put that in the crease. I didn't even do my normal, I have a specific set of makeup and routine that I do when I do my videos that's different from my everyday stuff. And I didn't even do that today. I'm just that tired. I have a doctor's appointment. I had to make some phone calls by 9 o'clock. So I'm like dead. I think I'm just gonna tap into that dark brown there. Just a little tap. Just to maybe get more of a definition here going in the corner. And just bring that in. Kind of like if you're cutting the crease, but you're not cutting the crease. But it definitely gives the eye more definition. And so, I mean, I gotta put on my makeup anyway to go to the doctor, so I might as well still do my video, right? I made my appointment for the afternoon, so I'm just not a happy camper. I gotta not just go to the doctor, but go to the pharmacy. It's got some things to do. I'm exhausted. But anyway, I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. It's a nice, pretty, soft, like pink look. I would call this an everyday look. I mixed my two blushes, Purple Haze, Fantastic Plastic Pink. Did my Precious Petals for my highlight. I believe this is Addis Ababa. I believe that's the name of this one, Addis Ababa. I'm going to assume it's Middle Eastern country or city or whatever. See, this is what happens when I use dyes in my hair. It's so dried out. So yeah. So that's what I did for my makeup.